Hello to our amazing Kinder parents and families. We wanted to share some information with you about our materials that will be coming home this week with your Kinder friends. Our Kinder teachers have put together a video to show you how to use these materials.
Hello parents, I'm Julie Shalangan. I'm Jen Cummins, and we want to give you some directions on the packet of information that went home with your child to help them practice with literacy and with some math. So the first thing in your packet you will see is this card that says characters, setting, beginning, middle, and end. This card can go with any book that you read. We've included the book, The Three Billy Goats Gruff. And what you're going to do is read the story with your child, and then they get to use the card. The first thing you will ask them is, who are the characters in the story? Your child will get to move the bead and tell you who the characters, the people or the animals are in the story. The next thing you will ask your child is what the setting of the story is. So the setting is where and when the story took place. So once they tell you where the setting takes place, they can move the bead to the setting. Then they're going to tell you what happened at the beginning of the story and move the bead to the beginning of the story. Then you'll ask them what happened in the middle of the story, and they will move the bead to the middle. And at the end of the story, they will move the bead to the end of the story. Like I said, this can be used for any book that you read. We are concentrating on who the characters are, the people or the animals, the setting, where and when the story takes place, the beginning, middle, and end.
Now we are going to show you how to play some of the math games. You will find a deck of cards in your packet, and you'll find a sheet that has several games. We are going to show you how to play the counting on card game. So first, you will need to go through your deck of cards. You will only need the Ace, 2, 3, 4, and also you will need 5 through 10. You won't need any of the face cards. And what you're going to do, you're going to put all of these into one pile. You'll just shuffle them in, and then you're going to put 5 through 10 in the other pile. And you will take turns flipping over one card. The person who has the higher numbers, you start counting first, and then you count on with the lower number.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
She gets to take both cards because she got the correct answer. 7, 8, 9.
5, 6, 7, 8.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, that's not right. So my partner gets to take a turn to see if they can come up with the right answer.
6, 7, 8, 9.
Since she got the correct answer, she gets the cards. You keep playing until all the cards are gone, and then you get to practice counting. You will each count your cards to see who has the most, and that is the person who wins. Now, Miss Gibbons is going to demonstrate how to use the dice to play an adding and subtracting game.
Another thing that you're going to find in the bag that your child is bringing home is a set of dice. And with this, you can play an addition game. So I'm going to take one die and roll, and my partner's going to take the other one and roll. Now we're going to add these together. So starting with 6, we now have 7. 6 plus 1 equals 7. We can also do this with subtraction. So we're going to each pick up our die, roll, and now we can, starting with our bigger number, 6, 5,
Thank you so much to our kindergarten teachers to teach our friends how to use the materials that will be coming home. What I do ask is that you fill out the forms on the invitation. It'll have a link or a QR code just to let us know you received it. And it also has a little spot if you do have any extra questions. We are so excited to get these in the hands of our kinders and their families. Thank you so much for all you do to help us and make sure that everyone involved is successful. Again, my name's Heather Kawiza. If you have any other questions, please feel free to ask me, and I'll try my best to get them answered. Thank you.